Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, June the 24th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku. So two puzzles remain: the tectonic and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 6647. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 21 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in that means we need in a row or in a column 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one, double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one. Between two O's comes in one. Between two ones comes in O. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Then, well. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. They should be no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Come on. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Yeah. Well, I know. Between the 1 and an O, with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. That should be no. Between two O's comes in 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same as there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and then in this row we have a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, and between a 1 and an O with 2 boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So that box will be a 1 then. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1. Once. Double 1, here no, there no. Double, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So rest are O's. We have here also 4 O's. I cannot place the 5th O there, otherwise we have 3 ones in a row in this last row. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column, not allowed. One of the rules, so this can be a 1. O, this should be a 1. I cannot place the 5th O there, otherwise we still have 3 ones in this column in a row. 3 ones in a row in this column, not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes a 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5, the 5th O. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double 1. Here no, there no. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finished in 7 minutes. Well, without comparing. And I like this one. Yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.